पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद काण्व शाखीय भाष्य। In this we saw in Bhashya, page number 327, second line, यस्मान् नेच्छंश्चन इच्छनपि अतो अस्मात् फल साधन लक्षणात् भूयो अधिकतरं न विन्देत न लभेत। अस्मात् फल साधन लक्षणात् भूयो, then this phala and sadhanam, you can split it in this way, phalancha sadhanancha, or you just say phalasya sadhanam phala sadhanam. Sadhanam were three: putra, vitta, karma. In this way it was defined. Then that there is nothing more to be known. That's why it was said etavan vai kama. Tika, second line, uktameva artham lokadrishtim avashtavya spashtayati. Uktameva artham, what is already said by the mantra, lokadrishtim avashtavya, taking the laukika understanding, spashtayati is making it clear. नहि लोके फल साधन व्यतिरिक्तम दृष्टम अदृष्टम वा लब्धव्यम अस्ति। लोके फल साधन व्यतिरिक्तम, अदर देन दिस फलस्य साधनम फल साधनम और फलंच साधनम इति फल साधने तद व्यतिरिक्तम, अदर देन दिस phala and sadhana, nothing more is there to be attained. Means to be known and then to be acquired. Either people are acquiring sadhana, and through sadhana they will acquire phalam. That's all. Whether drashtam or adrashtam, means ihaloka or paraloka. टीका, लब्धव्यांतरा भावे अपि कामयितव्यांतरम स्यात् इति आशंका। लब्धव्यांतर अभाव, okay, there is nothing greater to be acquired. Okay, labdhavyantara abhava is there, means something else to be acquired is not there. But kamayitavyantaram syat, something else to be desired, that could be there. Iti ashankyaha labdhavya vishayo hi kamaha tasya cha etad vyatirekena abhavadi uktam uktam vaktum etavan vai kama iti. Labdhavya vishayo hi kamaha, what is to be acquired, that itself is the vishaya, kamaha. Tasya cha etad vyatirekena abhavadi uktam. So of this kamya padartha which is to be attained, then that there is nothing etad vyatirekena abhavadi uktam vaktum etavan vai kama. So this labdhavya vishaya which is kama, other than that there is abhava of any greater thing to be attained or any greater thing to be desired. So लब्धव्यांतर अभावात कामयितव्यांतरस्य अभाव. Because see what he said in टीका, लब्धव्यांतर अभावे अपि कामयितव्यांतरम अस्ति स्यात्. So he says no, if labdhavyantara is not there, kamayitavyantara abhav also will be there. That's why it says etavan vai kama. This much only is to be desired and this much alone will be attained. टीका, एतद् व्यतिरेकेण साध्य साधन अतिरेकेण इति यावत्. एतद् व्यतिरेकेण means साध्य साधन अतिरेकेण. अतिरेकेण means व्यतिरेकेण. Then this much sadhya and sadhana. In other words, when we enter into Upanishadic thinking, we should understand there are only three sadhana. Here it is defined as putra vitta karma, or you say putra karma upasana. Putrena ayam loko jayah, karmana pitruloka, upasanaya devaloka. So these three are sadhana. If you don't want to use the word putra for laukik understanding, you say vittam. Putra, vitta, they all are sadhana. Karma is sadhana, upasana is sadhana. These are the sadhana. What is sadhya? Ayam loka, paraloka, pitruloka, and swargadi loka. These are the sadhya. And in them, the one who is able to see doshas, dukkhamishrithatvam, anityatvam, atruптикаратvam, etc., that person is fit for Upanishad, fit for Vedanta. In other words, when they say, I have to see defects in the world, I have to see defects in sadhana, I have to see defects in sadhya. These three sadhanas have defects, three sadhyas have defects. That is enough. My vichara can be seemit towards this. All karmas, they are anitya. Therefore, all karma phalas will be anitya. All karmas are anitya, karma phala is anitya, iha loka. Therefore, paraloka, karma phala also will be anitya. In this way, I understand, I am ready for Vedanta. And if this much I don't understand, understanding means a clear understanding should be there. Not that, but I can study Vedanta. Nobody is going to stop you from studying Vedanta. You will not have any significant progress unless you make this understanding clear to yourself. So those who are studying, and more importantly, those who are teaching Vedanta, they should know this clearly. Otherwise, they will teach so many things, but they will not exactly focus on where I have to see the dosha. एतद् व्यतिरेकेण मीन्स साध्य साधन अतिरेकेण इति यावत्. तयोर द्वयोरपि कामत्व विधायी श्रुतेः अभिप्रायम् आह. त्वयोः द्वयोः अपि कामत्व विधायी श्रुतेः. कामत्व विधायी श्रुति 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. कामत्व बोधि मीन्स दिस एतावान वै कामः, दिस श्रुति. इन भाष्य लब्धव्य विषयो ही काम, हाँ, एतावान वही काम इति, एतावान वही काम इति। एतदुक्तम भवति दृष्टार्थम अदृष्टार्थम वा साध्य साधन लक्षणम अविद्यावत् पुरुषाधिकार विषयम एषणाद्वयम कामो अतो अस्माद् विदुषा व्युत्थातव्यम इति। दृष्टार्थम अदृष्टार्थम वा साध्य साधन लक्षणम, साध्य साधन लक्षण, they will have some drishta artha or adrishta artha. It is for avidyavat purusha adhikara vishayam. Avidyavat means the person who is ajnani, avidyavan. For that purusha, his adhikara is in this sadhya sadhana. So avidyavat purusha adhikara vishayam. Eshana dvayam. Eshana dvayam, what are the two eshanas?
Sadhya sadhana.
Sadhya and sadhana. एषणाद्वयम् कामः अतो अस्माद् विदुषा व्युत्थातव्यम्। See टीका, then I will ask you a question. टीका, कामस्य अनर्थत्वात् साध्य साधनयोश्च तावन्मात्रत्वात्। Kama is anartha. This is I told you dosha, how to see dosha. You see it is given. Kamasya anarthatvat. Sadhya sadhana yoscha tavan matratvat. Sadhya and sadhana, they are limited to this kama, which is anartha rupa. Any desire is going to create more bandhan only for you. And never say, until I die, I am going to entertain this desire. You are only trying to tell yourself, until I die, I will remain dukhi. That is all it means. If you want to have desire, have only one desire. How I will know I am Brahma. Any other desire, definitely you will create dukkham for yourself. And if there is anybody else involved there, then that person also will become dukhi. Kamasya anarthatvat. When we study Shastra, the purpose is this, that when we study, then we understand something which we had not understood, so we improve in our thinking. Sadhya sadhana yosya tavan matratvat. Sadhya and sadhana are up to this only. Swargadau pumarthata vishwasam tyaktva. Swapna labha tulyabhyas tisrubhyo api eshanabhyo vyutthanam sannyasatmakam kritva कांक्षित मोक्ष हेतुं ज्ञानम उद्दिश्य श्रवणादि आवर्तयेत इत्यर्थः. In one line, he has explained parikshalokan karmachitan brahmana. This is what should happen. Tavan sadhya sadhana yosya tavan matratvat. Sadhya sadhana, they are also anartha. Anartha rupa means Anityatva, Atruptikaratva, Dukkha Mishritatva. In all sadhya sadhana, you have to see this repeatedly. Then, Swargadau Pumarthata Vishwasam Tyaktva. In Swarga, which is my Purushartha, that Vishwasa you have to let go. Swarga is not my Purushartha. Pumarthata Vishwasam Tyaktva. Then, the three eshanas, Tisrubhyo api eshanabhyo. The three eshanas, here you have to say Putra Vitta Loka. How they are? Swapna Labha Tulyabhyaha. Tisrubhyaha eshanabhyaha. They are just like Swapna. Means if I attain Putra or Vitta, Putra means lot of following, lot of subscribers, is Swapna only. And Vitta, what is there? Is Swapna. Swapne hoi भिखारी नृप, रंक नाकपति होई, जागे हानि न लाभ कछु, तिमि प्रपंच जिय जोई। लक्ष्मण गीता। स्वप्न लाभ तुल्याभ्य means it is just like gaining something in swapna which has no meaning. Acharya says putra vitta loka, whatever you attain is just like swapna, long dream, but it is dream. Tisrabhyo api yashanabhyo vyutthanam. So what one should do, you should get up from there. Vyutthanam sannyasatmakam kritva. Sannyas means not changing clothes, changing name, and having some longer beard, etc. That is not sannyasa. Sannyasa actually means those desires have to go. This is sannyasa. Sannyasatmakam vithanam kritva. Kankshita moksha hetum. And what is now kankshita moksha? Tasya hetu kim?
Jnanam.
Jnanam. Kankshita moksha hetum jnanam. Mokshasya hetu. What is the hetu for moksha? Atmajnanam. Atmajnanam uddishya shravanadi avartayet. Only for the sake of Atmajnanam I should do Shravanam. आत्मज्ञान को उद्देश्य में रखते हुए श्रवणादि आवर्तय, श्रवणादि आवर्तन. In other words, Shravanam is for Atmajnanam. Atmajnanam is for moksha.
Moksha.
For that Shravana to be possible, I have to do Vyutthanam. Vyutthanam means sannyasa. Sannyasa from where?
Desire.
Eshanabhyo Vyutthanam. Eshanabhyo is Panchami. From Eshana you have to get up. Now you see that line in the Bhashya, which I didn't explain. Avidyavat Purushadhikara Vishayam. Eshana Dvayam, Bhashyakar has given. Sadhya Sadhana Lakshanam. Sadhya Sadhana Lakshanam has this later thing as Visheshanam. Avidyavat Purushadhikara Vishayam Eshana Dvayam. Avidyavan Purusha is Adhikari for Sadhya Sadhana, whether it is Drishtartha or Adrishtartha. Okay. Eshana-dvayam kamah. Atah asmat vidusha vyuttatavyam. Who should get up from there? A jnani, vidusha. And who was the adhikari earlier? Avidyavat. So if avidvat purusha adhikar vishayam was there, then who will take sannyasa? Avidwan. So why here vidusha is given? Here vidusha means viveki. Here vidusha is not brahmajnani. A viveki should take sannyasa. Then having taken sannyasa, he should do shravanadi for the sake of jnana. Means the lesser the desires I have, quicker will be my brahmanishtha. More desires I have about the world, even if shravanam is going on, vigna will keep coming. Because what I have to actually let go of is eshanas. So you say there are only three eshanas. Three eshanas are upalakshana for all eshanas. Putra vitta loka. So one should not say that I don't want anything. I want something fourth. So that fourth one is included in three. Shravanadi avartayet. Tasmad api ityadi vyachaste. Now in the mantra further it is given tasmad api. tasmadapi in the mantra. Tasmadapi etarhi ekaki kamayate. That part now. भाष्य यस्माद् एवं अविद्वान आत्मा कामी पूर्वः कामयामास तथा पूर्वतरो अपि एषा लोकस्थितिः यस्माद् एवं. So since this is the case, what that avidwan atma means avidwan jiva, avidwan grahasthi, kami. Earlier means earlier he was purva. Purva means earlier. Earlier means how he was kami purva. So purva that who was earlier. Earlier dara sambandhat purvam. Before he got dara sambandha. Before that he desired jaya me syat putram atha putram atha vittam ityadi. Purvaha kami purvaha kamayamasa. So he desired in this way earlier. तथा पूर्वतरो अपि एषा लोकस्थितिः. So पूर्वतर prior to that also was desiring in this way only. Same was the situation. एषा स्थितिः. टीका प्राकृत स्थिति एषा न बुद्धिपूर्वकारिणाम इदं वृत्तम इति आशंक्याः. What is prakrita sthiti? Prakrita sthiti is whatever the people earlier did, even if they did without thinking, I will also do the same thing without thinking. This is called prakrita sthiti. So everyone is jumping in the well. So I will also jump. Why? Because everyone does. So this is prakrita sthiti, esha, na buddhi purvakarina. Buddhi purvakari, they will follow what is said in Shastra. So if Shastra says you should have moksha as your purushartha, then I will follow moksha purushartha. Why? Out of buddhi purvakarinam. Buddhi purvakarinam means buddhi purvakari. Yaha, tesham buddhi purvakarinam. So buddhi, those who keep buddhi in front. बुद्धि पूर्वकम यह करोति सह बुद्धि पूर्वकारी. Means after thinking I take decision. What should I do now in this way? Shreya Preya, both margas are available. Then what should I do? So this is a buddhi purvakari. Buddhi purvakarinam idam na vrittam iti ashankyah prajapatescha evam eshah sarga asit so avived अविद्या ततः काम प्रयुक्त एकाकी अरममाणो अरति उपघाताय स्त्रियम ऐच्छत ताम. You need to takara. स्त्रियम ऐच्छत then ताम समभवत ततः सर्गोयम आसीत इति ही उक्तम. This was already said. Prajapati, that earlier Prajapati also was bibhet because of avidya, and then he said ekaki prajapatescha evam esha sarga. This was the creation of Prajapati where he got abhibhet avidya, then tata kama prayukta ekaki aramamana. He says, I will not stay alone. Then he created praja, etc. So striyam aichat. Arati upaghataya, to destroy the arati, loneliness or disinterestedness. He desired a woman, striyam aichat. Then tam samabhavat. Then he followed her. So this was explained. She became Gardavi, he became Gardava, she became cow, he became bull, etc. etc. Tataha sargoyam, from that this sarga has come iti uktam. टीका तत्र हेतुत्वेन पूर्वोक्तं स्मारयति सो विभेद इत्यादिना तत्रैव in that कार्यलिंगकम अनुमानम सूचयति. So now some anumanam is given. Anumanam means it is showing that how it was there in Karana, so it is there in Karyam also. Tasmat tat srishtavetarhi etasminnapi kala ekaki san प्रागदार क्रियातः कामयते जाया में स्यात् अथ प्रजाजेय अथ वित्तम में स्यात् अथ कर्म कुर्वीय इति उक्तार्थम वाक्य. And therefore tasmat tat srishtau etarhi etasmin api kale, in that srishti. Which srishti? Prajapati srishti. Which, what kind of Prajapati? Who had gone through this avidya, then bhaya, then arati, etc. In that srishti, everybody in general will follow this. Etasmin api kale, even now. Ekaki san, first he'll be alone. Then ekaki means prag dara kriyatah, before dara kriya means dara sambandha takes place. Before that he will think kamayate. Prag dara kriya kriyatah kamayate. How? Jaya me syat, atha prajayeya, atha vittam me syat. May I have wife, children, progeny, wealth, etc. And atha karma kurviya, all this we saw. टीका स यावद इत्यादि वाक्यम आदाय व्याचष्टे. नेक्स्ट वाक्य इज स यावद. स यावदपि एतेषाम एकैकम न प्राप्नोति. Until he attains each and everything of this, he will remain incomplete. अकृत्स्नो हि सः. स एवं कामयमानः संपादयन्श्च जायादीन् यावत् समस्तान् स एतेषां यथोक्तानां जायादीनां एकैकमपि न प्राप्नोति. अकृत्स्नो अपूर्णो हि असंपूर्णो अहम इति एव तावद् आत्मानं मन्यते. सः एवं कामयमानः, the one who desires in this way, this is कर्तरि शानच. सः कामयमानः संपादयन्श्च जायादीन यावत यावत जायादीन समस्तान संपादयन्श्च. अन्वय you have to do this way. यावत jayadin samastan sampadayan, until he acquires all of these jayadi etc. Saha etesham yathoktanam jayadinam ekaikamapi na prapnoti, until he acquires all of them. Akrusno asampurno aham, he feels I am incomplete. Means this sense of atrupti will remain. Here four things are given. In general, you understand, unless I know I am Brahma, sense of incompleteness will never go. I have this, but I don't have this. I have this, but I didn't get as much as I wanted. Then I want this. There is no end. This sense of atrupti, if it was fulfilled through anatma, why would we want Vedanta? We have to learn this, that acquiring anatma, no matter to what extent, no matter for how long, tripti will never happen. And time keeps going, keeps going. 1 year is over, another year is over, another year is over. And asampurno aham, so this is not anything new. In Bhashyakar's time and in Vedas also, this thing, in Veda itself it is said, akrusno aham, akrusno, I am incomplete. So tripti will not happen through this marga. Asampurno aham iti eva tavad atmane manyate. Atmanam asampurno aham iti evam manyate. टीका पूर्वः सशब्दो वाक्य प्रदर्शनार्थः. सशब्दः, व्हाट इज ए समास विग्रह? हाँ, ऑनलाइन
सह शब्दः इति सशब्दः.
नॉट सह शब्दः इति, सह इति शब्दः सशब्दः. वाक्य प्रदर्शनार्थः. द्वितीयस्तु व्याख्यानम, द्वितीयस्तु व्याख्यान मध्यपाती इति अविरोधः. पूर्व सशब्द इज वाक्य प्रदर्शनार्थ, द्वितीय सशब्द इज व्याख्यान मध्यपाती. See where it is, प्रथम पूर्व सशब्द is where सह एवं कामयमानः, right? This is the mantra. And samastan sa etesham yathoktanam, that sa is within the vyakhyanam, within the explanation. Artha siddham artham aha. Artha siddham artha. Artha siddham. So what is siddham through this? What is arrived at through this? 7 number टिप्पणी. अर्थात प्रदर्शित व्यतिरेकात् सिद्धम निष्पन्नम अर्थम अन्वय रूपम इत्यर्थः. अर्थ सिद्धम, he says, अर्थात सिद्धम अर्थम, प्रदर्शित व्यतिरेकात् सिद्धम निष्पन्नम अर्थम अन्वय रूपम. So there is अन्वय and व्यतिरेक in this. Now in the Upanishad, means in the mantra, what is said, if he acquires all of these, putra, vitta and karma, means swargadi loka, then he will feel I am Krishna. But what is the reality? That it will not happen. If that was the complete thing, then why do you want Vedanta? Why you have all other thing? Only karma would satisfy. So for avidwan, he thinks I got everything. And that time he will feel happy. Then after some time, again anityatva is there, atrupti is there, again samasya will continue. In Bhashya, parisheshyat samastan eva etan sampadayati yada tada tasya krishnata. That's why before this statement itself I told you that even if he says samastan etavan, samastan eva etan sampadayati, even if he acquires all, there is no krishnata. But he will feel, oh yes, now that is abhimana. In Tippani, Anumanam is given that what was said earlier, Anumanam Suchayati in Tika, Karyalingakam Anumanam, that Anumanam is given in Tippani. Prajapati, 5 number Tippani, Prajapati Karya Bhutagnya जनगतो दार विषयको अभिलाषः कारणपूर्वकः कार्यत्वात् घटादिवत् इति आकारकम् अनुमानम्। प्रजापति कार्यभूत अग्न्यजनगत दार विषय को अभिलाषः, अभिलाष मीन्स इस इच्छा regarding dara, putra, vitta, etc. This is Agnya Janagatah. This is there in Ajnani people. Karana, because it should have some Karana. It is Karana Purvaka. Why? Because it is a Karyam. What is the Karana here? Avidya. And what is the Karyam? Kama. Any Kamana will have a Karana. That was the discussion. So that's where we saw Avidya is Karana, Kama is Karya. And therefore, for every karma, there is Avidya as Karana Karana. In this way we saw. Tika. Tasyo means Tasya U. It is not Visarga. Tasya U. Krishnata iti etad avatarya vyakaroti. Of that person there is a seeming sense of fulfillment. Yada tu na shaknoti kritsnatam sampadayitum tada asya kritsnatva sampadanaya aha. Until he attains kritsnata, so long for the sake of kritsnatva sampadanaya aha. Tasya u tasya akritsnatva abhimaninah कृष्णता इयम एवं भवति. Of this akritsnatva abhimani, कृष्णता happens in this way. कृष्णता इयम एवं भवति. स्त्रीलिंग इयम. अकृत्सत्व अभिमानिनो विरुद्धम कृत्सत्वम इत्याह. कथम? If he has akritsatva abhimana, how will he have kritsatva? So it is said, विरोधम अंतरेण कार्त्स्न्यार्थम विभागम दर्शयति. विरोधम अंतरेण means without virodha, there is कार्त्स्न्यार्थम, completeness, sense of completeness. Vibhagam is shown. How? Ayam karyakaran sanghatah pravibhajyate. So now to that person it is given. Manaha is your Atma, Vak is Jaya, Prana is Putra. In this way he is taught. Ayam karyakarana sanghatah pravibhajyate. Tatra mano anuvritti. Khandakar, if you want, you can put mano anuvritti. He itarat sarvam karyakarana jatam iti manah pradhanatvad atma eva atma. This Jivatma has mana as pradhanam. Therefore, that mana itself is called Atma. So, mana is like I am. I am my mind. And mano anuvritti hi itarat sarvam. All my activities, all my thinkings are only based on how I think. So, I start thinking, then I will act, then I'll act, then I'll do some thinking, then again I'll follow. So it is all mano anuvritti. It follows my mind. Therefore, mind is Atma. And mana is pradhana. How? Like in a family. So, yatha jayadinam kutumbapati Atma eva. So this Yajamana, he is the jayadinam patihi, kutumbapatihi. Atma eva. Tad anukaritvad jayadi chatushtayasya. And jayadi chatushtaya is tad anukari. Tika. विभागे प्रस्तुते मनसो यजमानत्व कल्पनायाम निमित्तम आह. Why mana is yajmana? Tatra mano anuvritti hi itarat sarvam. Uktameva vyanakti yatha jayadina. Tatha manaso, we'll see from following session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.